So I'm the chair of the National Cancer Research Institute Lung Studies Group. Our remit is to maintain a broad portfolio of clinical trials for patients to be recruited into. I think it's important. I think research is a core part of what we do. It's a core part of managing patients. And we have a lot of interested, active researchers across the UK. So NCRI, our job as a clinical studies group is to look at that portfolio, identify gaps, and work with investigators to design investigator-led trials to fill those gaps, and also help pharma and the industrial companies come in and see that the UK is an attractive place for their research as well. So maintaining a broad portfolio of trials, I think, is what we're doing. I think we've had over 140 trials open across the UK at the moment, and there's a nice turnover. I think we've probably had about 40 closed in the past year, and we've got 39 opening. So we're I think, doing a good job. I think through the NCRI Lung Studies Group, we've run four subgroups. And we're running open meetings for those subgroups so investigators can come along with their research ideas and get some expert input as they develop those ideas. The areas I think we've identified and have working parties set up for, one is sort of combination of new drugs and radiotherapy, and that's led to the Concord study, which I think will be a flagship study for the UK and hopefully will open later this year. Other areas have been palliative radiotherapy treatment. It's been a long time since we've really done research in that. It's going back into the 90s, so I think we need to understand again what is the role of palliative radiotherapy in first-line treatment of metastatic disease with all the changes that's happening on the systemic treatment side. Other gaps in our portfolio, I think brain metastasis, very common with lung cancer patients, and we don't have any real trials in that area at the moment. And I think also that what we have to address is living with and beyond cancer initiative. I think we are seeing more of our patients alive, which is great, but they will have particular problems, particular needs, and we need to, I think, uncover those and work out how best to address them.